Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to draw father and a daughter painting along with a mandala art for Father's Day. First, let's draw the outline of father and daughter. Now let's draw 5 random circles. Let's paint background of painting. With the help of pen and compass, darken the circles. I use Sakura micron pens to draw the mandala. Let's draw mandala step by step. I hope you are enjoying drawing this mandala art. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe.
To just fly away, I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live.
Let's paint the silhouette of father and daughter.
I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be?
Finally, it's completed. Thank you so much for watching.